so much for stopping by. I just wanted to talk about a few things today. We're going to talk about the body and how it always strives to maintain a proper alkaline and acid balance. So here is how you can measure your pH. Some people test it with a nitrogen kit or litmus paper. I personally have never tried either one of those. I try to observe my urine by sight each time, and I also keep a mental note of the foods that I'm eating pretty much throughout the day, and I make sure that I eat as many leafy greens that I can. I also green juice often, and I drink a lot of H2O, which is water, as you guys know. So personally, my long-term goal is to become a vegetarian, but I do currently eat meat, but I try to make sure that I purchase it from my health food store. That way I can have more grass-fed meats, also meats that aren't treated with different types of antibiotics and different things like that. So I try to really eliminate a lot of that. So I just wanted to just share a few things with you guys. At the end of the video, you'll get a chance to see the difference between an acid diet versus an alkaline diet, and the different effects that it has on your body when you have a high acidic diet versus a high alkaline diet. So just giving you guys some great information, check some things out for you. Well, you guys can check some things out and pretty much just apply it to your everyday life, and I hope it really helps. All right, thanks for watching. I just really feel like you shouldn't be in a relationship with someone that you do not trust, and the same with him. I will not be in a relationship with a man that wants to check my phone or anything like that. It's either you trust me or you don't, and if you don't trust me, you're free to go. As simple as that. So I don't play games with people. When I'm in a relationship with somebody, I'm committed to that particular person, and once I get to a place where I feel like that's not what I want to do anymore, I'm woman enough to say, you know what, this is over, this isn't working for me, and I choose to move on. So